What's going on, everybody? I'm Thomas and welcome to Virginia Outdoors Unlimited. It's October the 7th, which means the best season of the year is back. Y'all know what it is, duck season. It's early duck opener down here in North Carolina. It's my first time ever coming down here to hunt. I've been meaning to come down here for a couple years and just hadn't got around to it. But I got out on Monday and did a bunch of scouting. Honestly didn't see the best bird numbers, some beautiful habitat, but just not a whole lot of birds. But I did find one pocket of about 50 wood ducks, and that's where I'm set up this morning. It's a beaver pond, but the kicker is with this beaver pond is the thickest beaver pond I've ever hunted, I think. It's pretty much wall-to-wall brush. It's what I call these gumball bushes. I don't know if that's the real name for them. I'll have to look it up. But there's one little hole in here, and that's what I'm going to set up on. I'm just going solo this morning. Pretty early still. I got up at 2 a.m., got in here at 4 a.m., so pretty early for a wood duck hunt. But I'm enjoying myself. Beautiful morning. This is a public land spot, so I can't say for certain that I got it locked down. Anybody could walk in here at any point, but it is pretty far off the beaten path. So hopefully we don't have any company. If we do, hopefully they show up soon enough that we can team up and not work against each other. But I'm gonna get the decoys set up here. I got the motion ducks set up with my Avian X wood ducks. Also got Biggie, the black duck spoonbill hybrid. I actually found him on my scout on Monday, so I figured I'd throw him on the motion ducks too. And then I'm only gonna have like a couple other free floating decoys. So almost done getting set up. Then it's time to count them down. Well, I did end up getting some company. Got actually some guys that I met up with when I was scouting Monday. They just walked in here, so it gave me a little bit of a heart attack, but glad to see it's some familiar faces. And they said they've been hunting this for a few years now and been doing pretty well, so that's got my hopes up. It's gonna be 5 of us, but same plan. Hopefully get them feet down in here and try and shoot a couple limits now. Should be like 15 seconds now. All right, boys, shooting light. Shoot straight, shoot safe. That one's on the left there. Yep, I don't know how I missed that other one, but I didn't get him. Man, that Drake landed tight.
Yeah, I told you, they just laying right here in your face.
He was about 7 yards from me at most. Here comes one coming right in.
Look, I couldn't see nothing. All I saw was the last.
Dude, he came in cupped. Is he alive?
Go get him, Nick.
I'll go grab this one far out. Here they come. Oh God, man, I should have had a couple of them. I got one though.
Kill that bird. Right there, to your right, to your right. Oh man, look at all of them, look at all of them. They're dropping in big time. We got like 10 coming in. Oh, that one's alive. He's alive. That one's... Well, right here, coming in front, coming in front.
Did I finally kill a bird?
Yep.
Thank
You better grab him. All right, kill him. Dang it. God darn it. Oh. Ow. That's my limit. Couple hens there. I got 3 over here.
I got 2 back at 3.
But one of them isn't mine. One of them's one of y'all's.
So I'm limited out. You casting my hen, that hen over there?
Me?
Yeah.
I got a Drake of y'all's.
Yeah, that Drake is mine then.
Yeah.
You want to just throw it? I can. Thank you, man.
Cool. Kill him, boys! Got one. Friggin' feathers all through here. Y'all can see all the duckweed too. I'm sure that's what they've been eating on along with all the acorns around here. Oh, tough place to find birds though, man. Ooh. Good shot. For the rest of the weekend? Oh, I got class tomorrow. I love to hunt, but I got class and then hunting Friday. I'm gonna hunt all 4 days of the Virginia season, but then I'm planning on hunting the first two weeks down here because y'all open up before we do in Virginia. Breathable, yeah.
You like them?
Yeah, I do.
Here's a little better look at the setup now that we got some light. Like I said, nothing too complicated. Had 3 spinners out there, a couple wood duck decoys off by themselves, and then had the motion ducks with the wood ducks and Biggie as well. And I think this thing is an absolute wood duck magnet. I used it on wood ducks a good bit last year, and then just using it again today definitely reaffirmed that belief. You know, we were definitely on the X here. This is the hole they wanted to be in, but having that water motion just helps get them to finish where you want them to. Yeah, I'd say they haven't been shot at too much yet. Man, I'd love to shoot you, Mr. Pretty Drake Wood Duck. Crazy. The other guys just left. They had to head off to work. We're still having birds come into the hole. I literally just had those 2 land right here, and they didn't even get back up when I was standing literally 10 yards away from them. So probably could have shot. I don't even know. We definitely could have finished out our limit if we had been able to all stick it out, but I did hit my limit. I shot a immature drake and then a hen, and then I also shot a really nice looking drake and unfortunately lost him. Just one of those shots where I shouldn't have taken it. I knew what type of shots I needed to be taking today, and I just broke my rule once and I got punished for that. So that's how it goes. And you know, it's one of the things that annoys me more than anything else in waterfowl is losing a bird, but at the end of the day it is something that happens. And honestly, I don't even know if having a dog in here would have helped with, you know, all the water. I don't know how much a dog could have used their nose. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up my decoys here, head on back to good old Virginia. This was a lot of fun. Definitely going to be coming down to North Carolina some more this year. So if you guys got out in North Carolina today, let me know how y'all did in the comment section. Really interested to hear how other people did. And if you guys aren't already subscribed to my channel, you guys enjoy waterfowl hunts, duck hunting in particular, make sure to click that subscribe button because I put out a lot of these videos every year. So hope everybody enjoyed today's video. Hope y'all are staying safe, and thanks for watching.